that bitch running, boys. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. 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 Next we gotta do the valve springs. I got, what else I got coming for it? I got a camshaft from a Predator 212 Hemi that I'm gonna put in here. I already got the flywheel put in there. See if I can get a shot of it, maybe. Yeah, but there's already a flywheel up in there. Flywheel is done. New throttle, new brake. Got some lights. What else? Carburetor's done. Oil catch is on. Oil change is done. New line. I need to rejet it because, as you guys can see, it only runs on off a choke. When choke is off. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but yeah. PWK 22. I got a headlight delete, of course. That's why I got these two up there. So that's going to come off. So I can find something that's going to run off a drill battery. Got a shorty pipe for now until I get my one from OMB warehouse that'll it'll swing around up into here and drop out on the right side. So it'll be up over here. I mean, I have to move my back fender back some, but she's done.